Dark social is the large amount of traffic that comes into a website that you cannot quite tell from what source they're coming from. So they usually come from unknown sources. However, they do account for a lot of traffic that comes on the website. From a few case studies, it accounts for anywhere between 60 to 80% of the traffic. So there are two major sources of dark social. The first major source is online, which basically is email, instant messages such as Skype and Facebook Messenger. So in this case, usually when people get very interesting content, they tend not to share it directly on their social media pages, but rather they would Skype a friend. Now the second source is offline sources, whereby there's a large tendency, especially in workplaces, when people see a lot of interesting content, they just ask people to come behind the computer and look at it. And the tragedy is we're not able to account for this traffic. So dark social actually quantifies for around 60 to 80% of the traffic that gets on a website. When you're doing your website analytics, you have to distinguish the sources of the content. So usually most tools provide a distinction between social sources, referral sources, direct sources, but once you get the unknown sources, especially which is the direct sources, then you look at the URLs that are there. To distinguish the ones that are probably coming from dark social, they're usually longer URLs that will not typically be typed in by someone on a browser window. There are three things that you have to do to make sure that your digital strategy accounts for dark social. The first thing is your content strategy. The person who termed the coin dark social actually stated that the ultimate dark social optimization is content strategy. We must make sure that we keep on tracking what content goes furthest on dark social and make sure that we tweak our strategy around it, because remember, it accounts for 60 to 80% of the target audience. The second thing we have to do is social integration. Unlike in the past, whereby especially towards the last few years, we have been removing things such as the email button from the websites, and these are really key tools in driving dark social. So it's time to make sure that our sites are fully integrated to help people propagate our content further. The third thing is to make sure that we create channels where we can measure the 360 integration. The first thing is when we are using different channels for driving, let's say, a campaign, you have to make sure that you create different URLs for the different channels that you're using. So for example, if you're using a newspaper versus Twitter to drive the same messaging, you have to ensure that you create distinct tools for each, therefore be able to tell where the sources are coming from. A tool that you can use for this is the Google URL Builder. The second thing we can use are what you call trackable links, which you can use Bitly or Google URL shortener. The good thing about these links, once you pass them through channels like WhatsApp and Skype and email, you're still able to keep track of people who are opening the links, unlike in the case of just using a generic URL. And thirdly, you can use something called the Urchin Tracking Module, which is called the UTM. This is a special code which has been tagged, so wherever anyone can open it, we are able to identify the source.